time to play with some clay. Well, hello. This is a review of this particular instructional video that I've posted here. I hope you'll enjoy it. It's a short review of the video, what's on the video that's located at Vimeo. At the end of this video, I will show you how to purchase a video base to sit on the sculpting stand, one to attach the pole that I'm going to use aluminum wire. I want to get it started. Alright, let's get started. I'll be back after the armature is going to be below this. This is a male skull and this is a female skull, and you can see there's a size difference as well as a definite profile. Now I soften my clay up, and this is good for any clay that's a plastiline based clay. Wrap it around the bottom part of the armature. Let's see if I'm within my 4 inches, and I am. Now the center of the head. Now I'm going to put the skull right here and work from it. And you can sort of feel in your fingers, between your fingers, when there's a lump or a little thicker area than. Alright, we've gone through the technical on this guy. And now I'm going to take it away from the technical and get into more the feeling. Okay, I'm going to put the collarbone in. Just evening out the head, steel. You got to be careful how much you have hanging out there and how many undercuts you're going to have, because all that adds up cost-wise when you're casting. Key is to work the design of the fur into the design of the piece. Careful with that. Alright, I'm just going to put the finishing touches on this guy. And, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And, I'm really pleased with how this turned out. It was kind of fun doing something completely different from what I normally do. Well, here's the segment where I tell you how to purchase your streaming video off of Vimeo. This is just a temporary page right now because I haven't created the 9 reviews of my current instructional videos yet, and that's so this is just a temporary page just to show you an example of what you're going to see when you come to this page. There's a link below my daily YouTube videos that will take you to this page, and here you will see all 9 videos, but I don't have them on here right now because I haven't edited them yet or created them yet. But there'll be 9 videos on this page, right in this area here, and you'll be able to scroll down the page and review them all. Up here to the right is a drop-down menu, and will be listed all my videos. I just clicked a little arrow, down arrow up here, and it will be listed all my instructional videos here. And it will, you click on the one you want to purchase. Let's see if I can do this. Say I want to purchase that one, add to cart. And it's all through PayPal. And I've got 2 videos that I've got listed here already on my PayPal pre-order. And up here in the upper right, there's a continue shopping, and I can drop down the menu and click on another video, add to cart, and automatically you got the third choice. I've already made 2 choices, and now I got a third choice. And then once you get that done, you click on the PayPal button to continue to the checkout. That's how you purchase my videos. As soon as I receive notification from PayPal that you've purchased a video, I put together a email to you with the link, or with the title of the video, as well as the link to the Vimeo video copy of it, and the password. Now, I also inform you up here, keep this email I send you or print it out so you'll always have the link and the password for the video you purchased. You can watch it on Vimeo as often as you want, as long as you have this. Thank you so much for your purchase. Of course, if you lose the email, you can always contact me and I can replace it. But the receipt for your purchase is here, and the link to the video, like I just told you, is right there. And it's very easy. You just click on that link, and then it'll ask you for the password before you can start watching the video. And it's just so simple. And as soon as I get I see that you purchased something, I get the video out to you, and you have it within seconds. It is so much easier than the old way that I did it by DVD, which I can't do anymore. All right, that's how you purchase and how you receive your instructional videos or video. Well, that's it, and I hope this has been helpful to you in making your decision. But wait, I have a great deal for you, and it's listed in the list of videos that you can order. The deal is, if you order all 9, you get 3 unlisted videos that are great videos. I just don't have room on PayPal to list them, so I have to keep them in reserve. But if you order all 9 of my videos at one time, you get 3 extra videos that are unlisted. Great videos. And I think you'd really enjoy them. And they're free. The 3, not the 9. All right, that's going to be it. I'm glad you watched this video, and I hope you found it interesting. Good day, everybody.